this place was part of the Six-Day War in 1967, but the story starts a lot earlier. Back in the 1930s, while the British had a mandate over the state of Palestine, which we call now Israel, there was a police academy. Walk to the shade so you can guys not bore yourself, and I'll show you what a paratroopers battalion in the Six-Day War looks like.
You don't want to walk through?
Yeah, definitely. Most of the armies in the world try to match their ranking.
You want to hold it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
As I was saying, June 1967, the first Super Brigade was sent down to China actually to fight anti-ships and boarders. It was supposed to have an airborne military helmet, huge bags, and their gun. That's all they had to do to defend for themselves. They had about one reinforced company, which is about 80 to 100 people. On the other hand, on this hill, we're waiting 150 Jordanian soldiers. The Jordanian soldiers have been here for about a week. They've been ready. They've been preparing. The entire hill was surrounded by a minefield. Mac asked the same question as well. Whether the trenches and the bunkers were the same ones with the field. So it really depends. I don't have the exact answer. To be honest, I'm pretty sure they are. The thing is, when you're working in the fenced military guideline, it all depends on how long you prepare. If you have about a day or two, you only dig trenches and you deal with what you get. If you have, from its beginning, the IDF has made itself the rule of being the most humane military possible. And humane and military are two very different words. You cannot be a soldier and be humane at the same time. I said this personally. I've experienced a lot of difficult conflicts over the last few years in service. But there are people on the other side. You gotta remember that. And we all know that. Every soldier in the IDF.